This is a bug, or at least I believe it to be a bug, on Creo 1.0 parametric, and I wanted to see if others can replicate it. If this is just a simple extrusion with a cut through it, what I've noticed is when you create an extrude feature, whether it be a cut or a protrusion, doesn't matter. Let's go ahead and sketch on this surface. It seems like when you have two profiles as such, two profiles in your sketch, when the feature is created, as you can see, it covers the existing hole. Now if we rotate this, you'll notice the hole is actually still there, but it appears to be covered. This is true even if we push it through and make it a cut. So let's go ahead and commit to that. As you can see, I can actually pick right through there, so there's actually not a surface there of any kind, but it just appears to be covered, where the other side is not. That's not true. If you edit this and change your profile to a single, your sketch to a single profile, then it has no problem. But again, as soon as you add that second profile, it covers that center hole. This is true no matter how you create this. You can create this using a projected curve, a sketch of two close profiles, project the curve onto here, and then using a surface cut. In fact, the one that I found really weird is if you create a revolve feature. So we're going to sketch on here, and I'm going to sketch a rectangle. I'm going to hold Alt on the keyboard and select this surface as a reference. Even if I sketch this, which technically is creating the same effect where you have basically two close profiles, but you're using a completely different approach, the problem is still evident. So let's turn on our axes and choose my axes. For rotation, let's make it a cut. As you can see, it still covers that. It seems like anything that has a profile enclosed with another profile causes this weird effect. In fact, we even tried this as an assembly cut, and it still covers that hole, or it appears to cover that hole. As you can see, I can pick right through it. So it's just like this weird effect that happens when you do this. If you insert yourself, obviously before that feature occurred, there's no problem. But as soon as you have a dual profile situation, it reacts this way. So I just wanted to show that to some people. Right now I'm just going undoing, so you can kind of see that it always happens whenever we have a dual profile type cut on the same surface, or in fact not even the same surface. I even created a default a datum plane, offset it from the surface down, and created the same sketch on the surface on a datum plane and extruded it up, and it still caused this hole to get covered. So I was playing around with this and thought it would be good to see if others are having the same experience I'm having with this, which I consider at this point a bug. So with that, anybody can give some input on it, appreciate it.